Hey travelers, if you've only got 1 week in Armenia, here's the perfect 7-day plan to see it all. Culture, nature, and a little adventure. Day 1, Yerevan arrival. Land in Yerevan, stroll through Republic Square and the Cascade, and catch the evening fountain show. Day 2, explore Yerevan. Visit the History Museum, the Genocide Memorial, and shop for souvenirs at Vernissage Market. Day 3, Garni and Geghard. See the ancient Garni Temple and the rock-carved Geghard Monastery, both UNESCO treasures. Day 4, Lake Sevan and Dilijan. Chill by Lake Sevan, try local trout, then head to Green Dilijan, Armenia's mini Switzerland. Day 5, Khor Virap and Noravank. Snap that postcard view of Mount Ararat at Khor Virap, taste wine in Areni, and explore Noravank's Red Rock Monastery. Day 6, Gyumri. Discover authentic architecture and deep-rooted history in this Armenian artistic city. Day 7, farewell Yerevan. Tour the Ararat Brandy Factory, grab last-minute gifts, and watch the fountains one last time. In just 7 days, you'll feel Armenia's spirit, ancient, warm, and unforgettable.